In this video, we will show you how to use the SYMA S52H helicopter. In the package, you will find the helicopter and other accessories. To start, use the screwdriver to open the battery cover. Put 4 AAA batteries in the remote. Next, it's to charge the helicopter. To charge the helicopter, you need to turn it off first. Then connect the charging cable to the helicopter, and connect the other end to the adapter or computer. The indicator light is off when charging, and the light turns red when fully charged. First, switch the power button at the bottom of the helicopter. The indicator light flash quickly. Press the power button on the remote light flash quickly, and the helicopter light flash slower. Slowly push the left joystick up and down, both helicopter and remote indicator lights become constant. Signal pairing is completed. Now the helicopter is on ready to fly mode. Method 1 to take off and land. After the helicopter and remote are paired, push the left joystick up, all blades begin to rotate. Push the left joystick up again, the helicopter will take off. And push the left joystick down, you can land the helicopter. Method 2 to take off and land. After the helicopter and remote are paired, push the left joystick up, all blades begin to rotate. Press the 1 key takeoff landing button, the helicopter will take off automatically. And press it again, the helicopter will land automatically.